Buckle up for the 2026 Jaguar XE SV, the pinnacle of British performance luxury that redefines compact executive sedans. This beast starts with a handcrafted 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine pumping out a ferocious 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, delivering a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 3.8 seconds and a top speed electronically limited to 186 miles per hour. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Jaguar's intelligent drivetrain dynamics, it offers rear-wheel drive with optional all-wheel drive for ultimate grip, making every drive an adrenaline rush on twisty roads or straight-line blasts. The chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, built on an advanced aluminum-intensive monocoque that's 75% lighter than steel equivalents, ensuring razor-sharp handling with minimal body roll. It features adaptive variable suspension with 3 modes: comfort for daily cruising, dynamic for spirited drives, and track for pushing limits. Massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in bespoke Pirelli P0 tires provide stickier contact, while the SV's widened track and stiffer anti-roll bars sharpen turn in precision. Braking duties fall to 15.4-inch carbon ceramic front rotors with 6-piston calipers and 14.2-inch rear discs with 4-piston calipers, hauling the car down from 62 miles per hour to standstill in under 100 feet. Inside, the cockpit screams opulence with SV Project 8-inspired Recaro bucket seats in performance Alcantara and leather, offering 18-way power adjustments, heating, and bolstering that hugs you through corners. The cabin boasts a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Pivi Pro software, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Meridian's 380-watt 11-speaker audio system thumps with crystal clarity, while ambient lighting in 10 colors sets the mood. Dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a head-up display keep you connected without distraction. Safety and tech shine bright too. Standard adaptive cruise control with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and 360-degree cameras make it a fortress on the move. The forward-facing camera enables driver assist features like emergency braking and traffic sign recognition. Performance data logging via the SV track mode records lap times, G-forces, and telemetry, perfect for enthusiasts chasing personal bests. Fuel economy. Expect 17 mpg city and 25 mpg highway on premium unleaded, with a 17.4-gallon tank for solid range. Dimensions measure 188.6 inches long, 74.4 inches wide, and 55.7 inches tall, with a 111.2-inch wheelbase for agile maneuverability and a 12.6 cubic foot trunk for weekend getaways. Priced around $105,000 base, the 2026 XE SV undercuts rivals like the BMW M3 competition while delivering unique Jaguar flair, sleek LED matrix headlights, aggressive SV aero kit with carbon fiber accents, quad exhausts, and that iconic leaping cat badge. It's not just a car, it's a statement of speed, style, and sophistication for those who demand more from their drive. Welcome to Auto Buzz Start, your ultimate hub for the latest in luxury and sports cars, in-depth reviews, and insider specs. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the buzz for more automotive excitement.